Hello YouTube friends and fans. Let's check out the snow. I'd say we got several inches. Pretty impressive spring storm. Let's measure it and see what we got here. Well, 3.5 it's saying. Looks like more, but that's what it's saying. Let's try it again here. Yep. I was gonna call it 6, but been overruled. It's very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go check out the front yard. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So let's open up the garage door and see how bad it is out here. Boy, I tell you what, if it snowed like this, I'd live wherever it would do it at. No plowing, no shoveling. Look at the hurt. Oh, I've lost a limb on that big tree over there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a real heavy wet snow. And I got some limbs over there down. Really pretty though. This is my type of snow. I think that's pretty neat as well. How it's sticking. She's warming up. Man, what a difference 8.5 hours make. Just puddles on the rail. Let me take you out front. We'll go see the damage out there. All the snow is gone for the most part. This is just a skiff on top of the grass. Got 2 pretty good sized limbs over here. Let me take you and show you how bad that is. So we lost like 3 big limbs out of this tree. There's the end of the one that broke off up top. Good sized limb here. Got another good sized one laying over there. And then there's one up in the top of the canopy up there. It's still broke, laying. I don't know where it's at. I seen it earlier. Then we got a big, decent sized limb there. So, hey, thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.